This is going to be a really good example of why you call before you dig. This is one residential house. You can see by the red marks we have power, and the orange marks we have telecom. And as we're walking past the house, you can see they move just a little bit to the side. So if you were a homeowner and you were planning on any remodeling or any decks or even a swimming pool, perhaps it would be wise to get a locate done before you purchase the house, so you know if there's going to be any more complications. Now we're running on the left hand side of the house through the backyard. You can still see the telecom and the power going through a pedestal here. And as we walk, you can see it gets just a wee little bit more complicated. Okay, so we have multiple telecom lines and multiple power lines. And if we turn just a little bit this way, and power lines and telecom lines running towards the back side of the house. We should find a gas line. Here we go. There's the meter, and there's the gas line running out.